within bracket x plus 2 and another bracket given x plus 2. So there are 3 steps you can get the answer of this one. How you can get? First, you can see the first bracket. There are 2 terms you can see, plus x and plus 2. This plus x we can multiply with second bracket. So we can write x multiply x plus 2. Then another term you can see here plus 2. Then plus 2 multiply again the second bracket. It is the first step. Then we can remove the brackets. Carefully you remove the brackets. Positive multiply positive, positive, x multiply x, x squared. Positive multiply positive, positive, 2 multiply x, 2x. Positive multiply positive, positive, 2 multiply x, 2x. Positive multiply positive, positive, 2 multiply 2, 4. Right now I remove the brackets. Then you have to simplify the like terms. These two are the like terms. X squared. Check the coefficients of these two terms. This one coefficient plus 2. This one coefficient plus 2. After you write down like this coefficients of the terms, always you add these two coefficients. So what is the answer? Positive at positive means positive. You have to add the magnitudes 2 plus 2, 4. So the answer is positive 4. So this one answer is positive 4. Which terms? X terms, no? So plus 4x and here plus 4. So the first part answer x squared plus 4x plus 4. Right? You can check the answers. Take a red color pen and check the answers. Then let's go to the second part. X minus 3 bracket x minus 3. Second bracket x minus 3, no? So second bracket I will multiply by positive x. Also second bracket I will multiply by negative 3. X multiply x minus 3. Minus 3 bracket x minus 3. Now remove the brackets carefully. Positive multiply positive, positive. X multiply x, x squared. Positive multiply negative, negative. 3 multiply x, 3x. Negative multiply positive, negative. 3 multiply x, 3x. Negative multiply negative, positive. 3 multiply 3, 9. Then you can see these two terms. They are the like terms. So we have to simplify them. X squared. This one coefficient is minus 3, no? This one coefficient also minus 3. Minus 3, minus 3. Always you add these two coefficients. So what is the answer? Minus 6. So when you simplify these two terms, your answer should be minus 6x plus 9. So the second one answer, x squared minus 6x plus 9. Now let's go to the third part. One bracket you can see 2x plus 3. Other bracket is x plus 2. So first step we can do 2x multiply x plus 2. Then plus 3 multiply x plus 2. Right? It is the first step. Then you have to multiply, no? Remove the brackets. Positive multiply positive, positive. 2x multiply x, 2x squared. Positive multiply positive, positive. 2x multiply 2, 4x. Positive multiply positive, positive. 3 multiply x, 3x. Positive multiply positive, positive. 3 multiply 2, 6. Also you can see there are two like terms. We have to simplify them. This one coefficient plus 4. This one coefficient plus 3. Always you add these two. Then the answer is plus 7. So when you simplify these two, the answer is plus 7 next. And here plus 6. So the answer is 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. They are the first three parts. Then we can go to the fourth part. First step I will write by using this method. 2p bracket p minus 3 minus 5 bracket p minus 3. Now remove the brackets. Positive 2p multiply positive 2p squared, positive 2p multiply negative 3, negative 6p, negative multiply positive negative, 5 multiply p, 5p, negative multiply negative, positive, 5 multiply 3, 15. Right? Then we can go to simplify the like terms. These two are like terms. 2p squared, this one coefficient minus 6, this one coefficient minus 5. Now you add these two coefficients, same signs directed numbers addition, the answer sign is same one. Add these two magnitudes, 11. So the answer is minus 11p plus 15. Right? It is the fourth part. Then let's go to the next one. 3x minus 1. Another bracket given 3x plus 1. 3x multiply second bracket 3x plus 1 minus 1 multiply second bracket. Now you remove the brackets. Positive 3x multiply positive 3x, positive 9x squared. Positive 3x multiply positive 1, positive 3x. Negative 1 multiply positive 3x, negative 3x. Negative 1 multiply positive 1, negative 1. Then what happened? Plus 3x minus 3x. Plus 3x and minus 3x should be cancelled, no? If you want, you can check by using the directed numbers. This one coefficient is positive 3. This one coefficient is negative 3. Now you add these two. Different signs. So you have to subtract these two magnitudes. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 has no signs, no? So you can cancel these two. Then what is the answer? 9x squared minus 1. Right, then another one part remaining of the first 6 parts. Minus 3x multiply second bracket 2x minus 3y plus 2 multiply 2x minus 3y. Now remove the brackets carefully. Negative multiply positive negative, 3x multiply 2x, 6x squared. Negative multiply negative positive, 3 multiply 3, 9, x multiply y, xy, 9xy. Positive multiply positive, positive, 2 multiply 2x, 4x. Positive multiply negative, negative, 2 multiply 3y, 6y. What are the like terms of this one? There are no like terms, no? Right? This one x squared term, this one xy term, this one x terms, and this one y terms. Right? There are 4 types of terms given. So we can't simplify the like terms here. So this is the final answer of 6th part.